Hey guys, so today we're gonna ride some dirt bikes. I'm here with my cousin and we're gonna ride my little brother's 50. So start it up and let's go. Get it.
I'm in shorts.
I think we can all see that you're in shorts.
Oh,
So we would be riding my 110, but I tried to teach my other cousin how to ride it and he wrecked it and broke where you shift. So yeah. So there's a ramp over there, he's gonna hit it. Avon, try to hit that ramp. So he's gonna move the ramp so he can hit it good. Sorry if the camera moves, but I'm trying to get a good angle of it when he jumps. Okay, so go back and try to hit this hard, or you might go around. So we were gonna ride my 110, but it broke, so we couldn't. So we're just gonna ride my little brother's 50. Still fun though, cause how small it is. That was good. So after this jump, he's gonna stop. Avon, after you hit it, it's my turn, okay? He's gonna go around now. Oh, crap, I'm sorry. Okay. So this is gonna be fun. Now it's Hunter's turn to ride. Give me the helmet. And I'm gonna get up close so that you can see how much air he gets. Really good. As you can see, that's the damage I did. And then here he comes, going around that. Nice air. And this is all the stuff that we've been doing. Right there. And stuff. So that's pretty good. And then here it comes again. I'm gonna try and get this from a different angle so that you guys can see it better. And now it's my turn to jump. After he comes back around, then I'm gonna jump again. Oh, he's doing the Avon. Okay. It's at 5%, so after like, okay, so this is the end of our video.
No,
like and subscribe.
Wait,
See you next time.